The Committee on Roads, Business and Government House, which was saddled with the responsibility of screening the nominees, subjected the nominees to hours of drilling. However, two of the nominees, Paul Uhombamu and Christopher Adesutu, were told to take a bow, obviously because they were former legislators and have been known to have satisfied all necessary criteria. The committee, chaired by Foley Ogidegbe, had the opportunity to ask the nominees some mind-boggling questions which borders on how they intend to carry out their duties if confirmed. The majority leader, Foley Ogidegbe, shed more light on the screening exercise.
So we have taken the first batch today. By tomorrow we'll continue, and I'm sure in the following days we'll find out whether they are really fit to serve as commissioners.
Some of the nominees commented on the exercise.
The process of the confirmation via the House has just commenced. I think the other steps will commence at the majority leader's office, where proper activities will take place.
I am very confident that I am going to scale through.
President Governor, excellent GO, is doing well, and coming on board with him is to complement the OSS so that we achieve his desire for the state.
Well, whichever ministry I'm given, by God's grace, I will do my best to make sure that his vision and mission are achieved.
Indeed grateful to the governor and the privilege to serve Edo people. I look forward to bringing value to the table.
Those that attended the screening are Paul Uhombamu, Christopher Adesutu, Jimoh Ejegbai, Osaigi Inegbedion, Marian Abubakar, David Osifo, Emmanuel Uso, Emmanuel Agbale, Osawegi Eru, Yekini Idiaye, Monday Osaibovo, and Amielome Osao. Meanwhile, in another development, in view of the incessant activities of herdsmen in the state, the House has called for public hearing on the bill for a law to establish Edo State control of nomadic cattle rearing and grazing law, which recently scaled through second reading in the House. The majority leader, Foley Ogidegbe, who disclosed this to newsmen, said the public hearing became necessary to get the contribution of the larger society in view of the importance of the bill. According to him, the public hearing is scheduled for next week, Thursday, 29th June 2017 at 10 in the morning.
Because of the sensitive nature of this bill, we are calling for a public hearing. And it has become even more urgent for us to do so in view of the several killings and raping of our Edo people. Even recently, as I think yesterday, a woman was raped at Epoma and beheaded. We are so concerned as a house, and we will not allow this to continue.
Fosa Wangwe reporting.